Next project here on Saturday is to pressure wash the driveway. Here's our old faithful gasoline water pressure. I bought a new surface cleaner this year. This one has, well, they're not on yet, but I have to assemble the wheels on there, so nothing like reading the directions and getting this done, so stay tuned. Well, I don't have a before, but this is after pressure washing this morning, Saturday, October 12th. I've got 1, 2, 3, and I'm on the 4th panel. I think I'm doing pretty good. I try and do this every year about this time. Bought me a new wheeler this year, a 3-wheeler. So it's coming out pretty good. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I know I got a big water spot over there, but probably gonna take a break and eat lunch and come do this last panel. But I do believe there looks a little bit of touch-ups on the top part up here, and I believe that this will be done for today.